Man with blonde hair and red lipstick wearing a red sequin dress. This lady is looking very beautiful in this dress and has a lovely smile. Green floral dress and teal coat carrying a blue purse. This dress on this lady is very good to see. In a black dress, she has blonde hair and is looking directly at the camera. The background is a blue curtain. And wearing a grey coat and also wears white shirt and black pants with carrying a brown bag, stands on the sidewalk. And with white hair and denim jacket and pant with flower top sits on a display shelf in a clothing store. A woman with short white hair stands. She wears tan jacket, a white scarf and white pants. She also wears white hood. Woman in a purple dress and heels poses on a sidewalk. This lady is looking amazing and has a lovely smile. She stands in a field of flowers wearing a purple paisley dress and sunglasses. This lady looks amazing in this dress. Man in a floral dress and purple cardigan. This woman looks very attractive and has a beautiful smile. With blonde bob and pink necklace stands on a black and white checkered sidewalk. She wears a floral print brown dress and holds a black hand. Is wearing a blue floral dress and sunglasses and carrying a clutch. This woman looks very attractive and has a beautiful smile. Tan lingerie and high heels sits on a flowery couch. This dress suits this lady very well. Black dress and heels sits on a metal railing. This lady is looking amazing and has a lovely smile. Man with long blonde hair sits on a park bench wearing a black leather jacket, black leather skirt and a black knee-high boots. Wearing a pink suit and hat sits on a wall near a pond. This beautiful woman looks very classy. Stands in a blue dress with her hands in her pockets. She is smiling and wearing a necklace. A man with blonde hair and a white dress is sitting in a chair. This woman looks great and has a great smile. With blonde hair is sitting on a blue couch. She is wearing a black top, a black skirt with gold buttons and black knee-high boots. Woman in a black dress with cutout and gold buttons. She wears gold heels and has long blonde hair. This dress on this lady is very good too. And with blonde hair and glasses, wearing a blue shirt and black skirt, poses for a picture and looking great and has a lovely. A black top and white pants stands on a tree-lined street. This woman looks great and has a great smile. In a purple swimsuit walking by a pool. This lady's smile is looking good and the dress is looking good. And in a yellow floral dress takes a selfie in a mirror. This lady is looking very cute and has a cute smile. In a red coat and black pants stands in flight of brick stairs. She holds a black clutch and wears black. In a blue dress and white coat stands in front of a window with a city view. This dress on this lady is very good to see. And stands in a living room wearing a colorful cardigan, white tank top, yellow pants and red shoes. This woman looks very charming and wearing a white shirt and green leather pants is jumping in the air in a kitchen. This beautiful woman looks very classy. In a printed blue dress and sit on chair. This lady is looking very cute and has a cute smile. With blonde hair wearing a blue top and black pants sitting on a curb. This lady is looking very beautiful in this dress and has a look. In a floral dress and orange shoes carries an orange purse. This lady is looking amazing and has a lovely smile.